subscribe to my YouTube channel? What are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe, hit the like button and share this video out to your friends and loved ones. I'm Crown Johnson by name. Welcome to CJ Tech. Before we continue in today's tutorial, in today's Python course, okay, I'm going to be talking about this Python course, and a lot of people have been getting the full course. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Try to get yours, because it's one of the high paying skills that you need, especially in this situation. Okay, in this Nigeria situation. Okay, so you get it. Just imagine you getting $2,000 paid by clients to your account. And you know how much is $1 now. 750 naira per dollar. Times it with $2,000. You know how much you got. Okay, so this course it has a whole lot of benefit, and I'm going to mention 4 benefits you are going to be getting or gaining in this course. The first one is you are going to be gaining. You become an app developer. Okay, you learn how to develop websites, you learn how to develop application. You either phone the Android application or iOS application. You learn automation, you learn data and machine language. So what are you waiting for? Get this course. Though the course worth $1,000, the course worth $500, but you are not getting it $1,000. You are not getting it $500. You are not getting it even $100. You are not getting it even $50. But you are going to get it at a very cheaper rate. So all you just need to do is to just chat me up. I'm going to leave my phone number, my WhatsApp number in the description. Chat me up, and you are going to get the course. Okay, right immediately, right away. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be teaching us some command. I'm going to run some command using Python. Let's get started. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Make sure you watch to the end. Let's get started. Are you ready? If you are using Android phone, make sure you download Python 3 on your Play Store. That's the application you are using to practice Python. So let's get started. Of you that watched the previous video, for those of you that watched the previous video, you can see that I made mention of this beautiful app for Android user. Okay, I don't know about the iOS, but I think you can get one. Okay, so but for Android user, you just try to go to your Play Store and download the Python 3. Okay, and then if you have a PC, it is going to be convenient for you in this tutorial for this course. Okay, so I'm going to send the command using Python. Okay, so and then let's get started. Okay, I'm going to open the app now. So now, before you start anything, you have to save all your work. Okay, you have to save it first. Save the space. Okay, so by clicking on this. Okay, so then you click on save. Okay, or you click on save as. Then you select the folder. Okay, internal mail storage. You can select the folder you want. You can decide to get it, but I'm going to select this. I'm going to name it inside the folder a file. So I'm going to name it Python. I'm going to name it okay, command. You can name it anything. Command.py. Okay. So, and I'm going to save it. So everything is going to save here. Satisfied. So now, the first thing we are going to be doing is if anyone enters your shop, your Nigeria shop. Okay, so the person will be like, the machine will greet the person. Okay, like welcomes to our shop. Okay, so now what we're going to do now is that we're going to write this print just like before. Okay, then we put this sign, and then we're going to write welcome to Bet Nigeria. You can name it your any company. Okay, so let's say Bet King or Bet Nigeria, or Bet King. Let's say Bet King. Okay, so that's number 1. And the second one we're going to write is you are going to write something like you're going to write so
we are going to, the first thing we want to ask, once they enter your shop, website. It might be website also, it might be your shop, might be the machine operating your shop. So you can just see like it's going to ask them about their height. Then ask them about their height. Then all you just need to write height. Make sure you write the correct spelling. Okay, give it enough space, give it a space, and then it's got to then write int, open brackets, input, open brackets, and then this command. Then you now say what is your height? What is your height in cm? Then you put a question mark. Okay, so that's one. Okay, so let's fall for, okay, that is it. Okay, so now once you run the command that if their height is not up to so 120, okay, so once you run the command that telling us that their height must be 120 and above. Okay, so for us to do that, we're going to do this. We're going to run this command. So what we want to do now, based on what I said earlier, so we just write we want it to be if the height is 120 and above. So we are going to write this. We're going to write this. Okay, so we write if height. Okay, if height is greater than. So okay, you know when you are using the reason you are using greater than this, you know the sign now. If it is greater than or equal to, you want it to be 20 then write 120. The height is greater than or equal to, is that 120 so then under the height, we're going to write height. So this is a command. This was going to happen. Height. Bracket. This sign. Then we're going to write. You can enter our beds. Or okay, you can enter our beds king. Okay, so that's command number one. So it's under this if height. Okay, so if the person enter his height maybe 120 and above, it's going to bring this out. Okay, so you're going to get access to the site or to the shop. Okay, it can enter, the person can enter. So now and then the next thing we want to do now is that we want to ask another question. Okay, so before we all go to that area, let's try to test what we just write now. Okay, it's going to welcome us. So yeah, you can see welcome to BetGeek. What is your height in cm? So then if my height is 120, okay, I can click on it. You can say you can enter. Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. If my height is 121, so I can still enter because it is 120 and above. That's 120, 121 and above to 300, 1000, 1 million. Okay, so there's no limit. So let's try another thing. Let's try if my height is not up to 120, is it going to allow me to enter? Let's say 100. Okay, you can see. So the reason why it's not bringing us something is because we haven't set the command. So let's go and command it. Okay, so what will happen if the person height is below 120? Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. So I'm sure you will just give it a okay. So then else. Okay, under without your print. Else means if it is not up to 120, it's not going to allow them to enter. So then we're going to put it okay. We're going to put it open bracket and colon, then write what's it called? Write this. Sorry, you are not enter the bet king. You have to be you must your height must be 120 and above. Okay, so that is if the person's height is not up to 120, what will happen? It's not going to allow the person to enter. So let's try it. Okay, let's call our height 100. It's not up to 120, so you can see, sorry, you cannot enter the bet king. Your side must be 120 and above. Okay, so you can see what I'm trying to say. So it's declining the person. It's going to decline the person. Okay, so this instruction wants to do is to ask for the age. Don't forget what we said earlier. Okay, so you're going to ask for the age. So we're typing this. If age, okay, we want to ask for the age. Yeah, we want to ask for the age. So you're going to type as age. Okay, doesn't matter. Age is equal to, so then you put an int, open brackets, input, then put open brackets. Okay, then I now ask what is your age. Okay, so it's very simple. So then the next thing we are going to do is then we are going to write a command under this. Okay, so our command will be if age is greater than or equals to 18. You understand? 18 years. Okay, so we're going to put this column. So then under this, what is going to happen if it is 18 years and above? So then we are going to write print, just like the same way we do for height. The same thing we're going to do here also. We're going to write, you can write great. Let's just put this. You are eligible to enter. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is we are going to go here. You're going to write another command like if it is not up to 18, we write else. Okay, under that else we write semicolon, and under the else we write print. Okay, so you write this. We are going to write this. Sorry, you must be 18. You must be 18 years and above. Okay, so that is it. So let's test run it. Okay, I'm so sorry. You should have saved this. You have to save this. So let's get back. Sorry about the ads. So let's save this. Okay, so let's check it again. Still getting over invalid. So something is happening. Okay, the years that we put here. Let's try 18, just 18. So let's try it's good. So you can see it's working perfectly. So let's see we are not making any mistake. Okay, I think we are not making any mistake. Okay, you can just try to change this. Okay, okay, you should at least ring something like this. Okay, let's try to change this age to small letter, change this to small letter, then check it again. Okay, okay, I'm 20, okay. So then it asks us about our age, so and then we put in 18. So you can see the program. So it's working amazingly. It's very awesome. So this is sorry, these ads, sorry. Okay, don't mind this. Okay, so you can see how you can do it. You can do a lot of things with this. So you can see. Okay, that's for my eyes as I enter. I tell them if I said it is 100, it's going to ask me. Sorry, you cannot enter. Okay, so that is, I'm going to, okay, let me just do this for the last time. Let me just do this. Okay, let's just do this for last time. For example, if they are if those people who are 18 years and above wants to pay them, maybe they have access to get $7. All you just need to do is that just need to do it. Can just say print, or under print you just say wait, you can enter, okay, and then you cannot say you are okay. You can say you are eligible and you can pay $7. Okay, and if they are not up to 18, sorry, you must be 18 and above. Okay, so you can just say, you can give it a, you can just say you, okay, you can just do it like that. Okay, so let's focus on 18. So let's try it out again. So let's say I reach, okay, I'm 125. I can enter what is my age, said 18. Okay, so you can pay. Okay, so that is how to, you can see this is beautiful. So just try to get your course, the full course. We have the basic, we have the intermediate level, and then we have the advanced level. Okay, so just try to get it and you're going to gain a lot of things there. So thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video to your friends and loved ones. Have a nice day. Bye.